Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Flutter installed, device or emulator running, and a Firebase project ready. Once done, add Firebase Core and Cloud Firestore to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pub get so packages are available. Next, register your app in the Firebase console and download the platform config file. Place it in the correct Android/iOS folder. This initial sequence ensures your app can authenticate with Firebase. Make sure to apply platform-specific Gradle or Xcode steps before moving on. You now wire Firestore into Flutter code. First, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, then await Firebase. Initialize app in main so services are ready. Once initialized, use Firebase Firestore. Instance to reference collections and documents. For writes, choose add for auto ID or set to control ID for reads use. Get for one-time fetches and snapshots for streams. Use try/catch to handle errors, and map query snapshots to model objects so your UI updates predictably when data changes. You finish by securing and optimizing Firestore. Update security rules to allow only authorized reads and writes. Once done, test locally with the Firebase emulator to avoid breaking production. If queries fail, create the required composite indexes shown in console messages so queries run fast. For multi-document consistency, use transactions or write batch. If something goes wrong, check emulator logs, verify Firebase. Initialize app, completed, and confirm service account/config files are in the right platform directories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.